Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: app, signed account, and permissions. First, open the Google Slides app and tap the plus button to create a new presentation or choose a template. Make sure you grant storage access so images and downloads save locally. If you'll work without Wi-Fi, enable offline mode now. Once done, name the file with a short, searchable title. That makes later retrieval simple and avoids duplicate files cluttering your drive. Now focus on building slides. Tap a text box and type, then use the formatting toolbar to change font size, weight, color, and alignment. This improves readability on a tablet screen. To add visuals, tap the plus menu to insert images, shapes, or charts, and drag corners to resize with touch gestures. For layout control, long press a slide thumbnail to reorder or duplicate it. Make sure to zoom with pinch gestures to position elements precisely, and keep consistent margins across. Finish by reviewing transitions, animations, and speaker notes. Tap present to preview timing and flow. Adjust durations under the slide menu so animations don't feel rushed. When ready, use Share to invite collaborators or export as PPTX or PDF for distribution. Make sure the offline copy saved if you expect no internet. If syncing or saving fails, first toggle Wi-Fi, force quit and reopen the app, and then manually sync drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.